It's December, the end of everything. Everyone's celebrating, posting highlights, hugging friends, saying, "We made it." Pero ako, di ko alam kung ano ang nararamdaman ko.
Bakit malungkot ang beshi ko?
True, kakatapos lang ng exam, tas last sem na natin to, oh. Di ba dapat masaya ka?
Siguro, mamimiss mo kami, no? Kaya ka malungkot.
So, ang feeling mo naman. You know, I just feel like totoo pala, no? Na malamig ang Pasko.
Malamig ang Pasko? Oo naman, pero bakit mo naman naisip yan?
Kasi after all these sleepless nights, events, quizzes, I thought I'd feel proud of myself, pero I just feel empty.
Ginawa mo naman ang lahat Nahanakot mo na nga lahat Student leadership, class leader, tapos dean's lister ka pa. You have it all, ginawa mo na
Kaya proud na proud kami sa friend namin
Then, I got this message. At first, I thought it was a prank.
Si Sam, laging present yun. Tahimik lang, pero solid siyang ka-group.
Di siya maingay o pabigat. Pero in fairness, siya yung nagpapatakbo ng lahat. Di kaya madali maging middle. Consistent siya, very reliable. Kahit di mo siya tanongin, tutulong siya sa'yo.
Ako? No way. Hindi ko nga alam na napansin pala nila yon. I was just doing what I could.
I wasn't always confident. I didn't always feel strong. But I showed up. I stayed. Kahit napagod na ako. Kahit walang matang nakatingin. And maybe that's what stability really is. Not being everywhere. Just being there.
Kanina ka pa nagsusulat siya na. Halika na, uwi na tayo.
Oh, wait lang. Last na lang talaga to. Oh, ano? Bara na?
If you're feeling lost, you're not alone. I used to think I had to do everything, be everything. But the truth, you don't need to prove your worth by burning out. I wish I knew that before college. I wish someone told me it's okay to slow down, to stay with one thing, to rest. That you don't have to carry everything. After all, we're humans, and humans don't need to do it all. We just need to stay. Stay present, stay kind, stay true. That's what got me here. Not talent, not speed, just staying. And if you ask me now who I admire the most, it's not the ones who shine the brightest. It's the ones who stayed with me. And maybe that's what we all need. Not to be more, but to be here.